Hey everyone! Welcome to Quiz Koala, the ultimate quiz challenge. Today, we're taking you on a virtual trip around the world. We will show you a famous monument, and you have just 5 seconds to guess which country it belongs to. Join the Quiz Koala family. Please subscribe now and stay tuned for more awesome quizzes. Think you know the famous monuments around the world? Let's put your knowledge to the test. Here's your first monument. Take a look. Where in the world is this? That's right, China. Can you guess which country this belongs to? You are right, India. Which country is home to these unique rock formations? Turkey. Can you guess where this legendary monument is? Indonesia. In which country is this record-breaking suspension bridge located? Japan. Can you guess this historic site? Iran. In which country is this glass skyscraper located? United Kingdom. In which country can you find this iconic tower? New Zealand. In which country is this twisted skyscraper located? Sweden. Which country is home to this breathtaking monument? India. In which country is this glass skyscraper located? South Korea. Can you guess this historic site? Philippines. In which country is this glass skyscraper located? China. This bridge is very famous. Can you guess where it is? France. This stunning palace belongs to which country? Russia. Which country is home to this breathtaking monument? Russia. Which country is the home of this famous building? United States of America. Can you guess this historic site? Malaysia. In which country is this monastery located? Japan. In which country is this famous castle located? Italy. How about this one? Spain. In which country is this unique structure located? Singapore. Keep going. Iran. Which country was this ancient Mayan city found? Guatemala. You might know this one. India. Can you guess where this legendary monument is? Uzbekistan. Can you guess this historic site? Lebanon. In which country is this historic fortress located? Hungary. In which country is this beautiful blue glazed gate located? Iraq. Can you guess where this monument is? Italy. Can you guess this historic site? Pakistan. Can you guess this historic site? United Arab Emirates. In which country is this ancient multi-level underground city located? Turkey. In which country is this monastery located? Georgia. In which country is this stunning Hindu temple complex located? Thailand. In which country is this ancient temple famous for its tree-covered ruins located? Cambodia. In which country is this famous castle located? United Kingdom. Can you guess this historic site? Lithuania. In which country is this monastery located? Bhutan. In which country is this unique structure located? Sudan. Which country is home to this breathtaking monument? Singapore. Can you guess where this monument is? Iran. In which country is this ancient Greco-Roman temple located? Armenia. In which country is this unique structure located? United Kingdom. Can you guess where this monument is? Ivory Coast. In which country is this glass skyscraper located? Azerbaijan. In which country is this famous statue located? Ukraine. Can you guess where this legendary monument is? Kuwait. In which country is this unique rotating boat lift located? United Kingdom. Which country is the home of this iconic tower? Kazakhstan. This stunning palace belongs to which country? France. In which country is this stunning mosque located? Morocco. Can you guess this historic site? India. Can you guess where this monument is? Belarus. Can you guess this historic site? Yemen. The stunning palace belongs to which country? India. In which country is this unique structure located? North Korea. In which country is this picturesque movie set located? New Zealand. In which country is this city famous for Ottoman-style houses located? Albania. In which country is this city with famous canals located? Netherlands. Pick your next challenge and please make sure to like, share, and subscribe.